Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrei Ureki from Salametrics, and today you're watching the second episode of Monday's listing breakdowns. And you'll ask, Andrei, what is Salametrics? Well, it's magic. Well, maybe close to magic, not real magic, but actually it's almost magic. Salametrics is an A/B split testing platform where you can upload your creatives and our targeted US-based respondents will vote on them so you can find the best one. This way you can improve your funnel, fix your conversion rate, and make more money. And the best part, guys, Salametrics is completely free for the first run. Just go on salametrics.com, use the code YouTube on sign up, and that's it. No credit cards required. Today we're going in cosmetics category. I picked a facial serum for my breakdown. I will review the listing, show you what's wrong and what not. After that, I'll run a few split tests and find out what potential customers actually want to see from that kind of products. With that feedback, I will go and craft my own version of the images. And the final test will be to see who did it better, me or the seller. As always, all the links will be in the description, so check them out. Guys, by the way, if you want me to break down a specific product, just submit it in the comments. And now let's go. First image, that's a 2 out of 5. Reasons: bad quality of shooting, weak image, label design is 1 out of 5. Bad cropping, you're not utilizing all the white space. You're losing all this space here, and at the bottom you could crop it. Next, second image, okay, that's a disaster. Why are you showing that? That's 0 out of 5. This is the most important image for your conversion rate. And you're utilizing on a piece of glass with some serum inside. I don't even know what's that. Okay, next one. Third image. This is just a bit better. That's a 2 out of 5. But at least you have some text and some feature benefits. Fourth image. That's okay. That's a 3-4 out of 5. You showing some, I guess, main ingredients or stuff like that. Fifth image. Okay, that's 2 out of 5. The idea is great. You have 5 on idea and you have, you have a 4 on idea and you have 1 on implementation. That's bad. That's basically no nasties or stuff like that. Sixth image. 2 out of 5. Okay, let's look at the video. That text, nobody can read it on mobile. That sucks. And why are you showing it from the dropper to the bottom? Okay, now that's a little bit better. But better show how to apply it, where, stuff like that. The most interesting part that you can use it on the face is showing the last part of the video. And the text, again, is super small. Nobody can read. Remember, everybody's looking and buying this shit on mobile, right? Hello Glow? Okay, you should have that super big. Yeah, wow. So, let's go. Bullet points, they're absent. Let's go down in the A+. Okay, that's a little bit better. I like that. This image is better than everything you had on top. Okay, why you have the best image in your A+? That sucks, man. Come on. Mario, what the heck you doing? Vitamin C serum. Okay, that's okay. Okay, why this is not in your main stuff? Ingredients highlight. What I can see ingredients here on the white stuff. I can't see anything. Okay, so that's an 3 out of 5 for the A+ content. That's it, guys. Now I'll go and I'll do my own version of these images. But first, before that, I will go on Salametrics and do a poll on asking women's what they expect or what questions they have when they buy a serum like that. So I will take that and put that on a chart and we will go from there. So we're on Salametrics. I'll start a new poll. I'll choose one option. I'll choose 50%. I'll go with women's because I think this is the majority clientele for this product. We'll share it publicly and just start. Now we'll return in about 15 minutes and check it out. Okay, so the first poll is done. Now let's take a look. This is it. It was pretty interesting to discover what women are actually looking for in that type of products. And what I noticed is that they tend to go on a wider kind of like concerns. It's different than what usually guys want, you know. So you will have the link in the description to this poll, so I won't read all of them. But I took them all and I compiled this list. So first one, I wasn't expecting that, but I thought like before and after will be the most important one. Here comes that benefits were the biggest concerns. So they wanted to know, well, like how is this working and things like that, like what it will give me. And I noticed that on Amazon, majority cosmetic sellers, they talk about before and after instead of addressing this thing, the benefit. People want to know how this thing works, right? After this, how often to apply it. Ingredients list. Okay, that's interesting. Ingredients provenience, results time, like how long it will take to see first result. That's interesting. Does it leave a greasy skin? Okay, that's interesting. That's something new. That work with all skin types. Instructions, how to apply it. Okay, other body parts, can you apply it, I don't know, on your hands, on your body, on your butt, wherever. Before and after comes like almost last. So I won't address all of them in my bullets because I actually went and I did my images before probing this. You guys can take it and utilize this thing and it will be much more powerful. Let's do the next poll. Pretty simple. I'll go 50 people. And I think we need about 4 options. So I already modified a little bit the main image and we will try to get the best click-worthy main image. This is it. We go with 50 and share it publicly. So we get the discount, $5 guys. So it's considerable. Press submit. Now let's take a look how the main image scored. So the first one is his original image. Second one, I just went and I slightly cropped and cleaned the bottle. And as you can see, it did much better than the first one. This is the one that I did and is the winner one. And this is also my version, but guys, here I wanted to show that if you optimize the sizing and the proportion of the bottle, you can get better results. So I cut out the dropper and I just enlarged everything slightly. Here's it. Leading with 64%. And the last poll for today will be to check all stack. His creative, old ones and the new ones. So let's take a look. This is what he had before. And this is our new creatives. I basically took all the points that were displayed in the first poll and this is how they look like on the chart. Now let's go and run the poll. We are going with 2 options. 50 people. We'll go with females. We'll select his old creative as the first option and our new one as the second one. And let's run it. We'll return in about half an hour. We'll see how it goes. Here's it. 20% versus 80%. And right away you can see like I like the option with the models on it. I prefer the images with real people in them. More informative. This is pretty good. I wasn't expecting that much of a difference, but this is pretty interesting. That's it guys for today. All the links are in the description. Don't forget you have a free poll on Salametrics. Go and use the code YouTube on registration. And see you guys next week. Bye.